Hey guys, I'm Hallie. Welcome to Ask an Expert with wikiHow. Today I'm sitting down with John Lundin, a psychologist here in the San Francisco Bay Area. How do you recommend supporting someone who's grieving?
Well, I think this is a really important question, and it's really something that a lot of people struggle with because, especially if we haven't been through a similar loss ourselves, then friends and loved ones they really want to help, but they're really nervous about what to say because they don't know. And the truth is, there's nothing magical to say. Friends or loved ones of people who are grieving often feel pressure to help. They feel they love the person, they want to make them feel better, but it's really important to bear in mind that that's your worry, and what they really need is for you to listen and be present with them in their loss. Because any other kind of messages like, oh, it all happens for a reason, don't say that. Because that may not be where they're at with it, and they may be struggling to find a reason for it. In general, being quiet and listening and really trying to doing your best to imagine what they're going through and being with them in their sorrow is really what they need. If there is something to say, it will come from that place in you where you have been able to enter their world.